Hey, car enthusiasts! Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most exhilarating machines in Lamborghini's impressive lineup, the Huracan Tecnica. Welcome to CWJ Autos, where we share the latest muscle cars, luxury cars, and upcoming cars news. If you're a fan of high-performance, adrenaline-pumping supercars, this model will certainly make your heart race. Lamborghini is renowned for crafting unforgettable vehicles like the Aventador, Urus, and Huracan, and the Tecnica takes the legendary Huracan to new levels of performance and design. Let's start by talking about what makes the Huracan Tecnica a true powerhouse on the road. Beneath its sleek and aggressive exterior lies a formidable V10 engine that produces an astonishing 631 horsepower and 417 lb-ft of torque. With this kind of power, it's no surprise that the Huracan Tecnica can accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in a blistering 3.2 seconds. And if you're wondering about its top speed, hold on tight, the Tecnica can reach a jaw-dropping 200 miles per hour. This car doesn't just accelerate, it redefines speed. Whether you're zipping down the highway or navigating tight corners, the Huracan Tecnica is built for high-octane thrills. But performance alone doesn't define the Tecnica. Lamborghini's design prowess is on full display, making this car not just fast, but visually striking. The front end features sharp lines and a dynamic stance that screams power and agility. Every curve and contour serves a purpose, not only enhancing its aggressive look, but also improving aerodynamics for optimal performance on the track and the road. The design of the Huracan Tecnica takes inspiration from the Huracan Super Trofeo EVO2, seamlessly blending race-inspired elements with everyday practicality. It's a car that looks fast even when it's standing still. Once you step inside the Huracan Tecnica, you're welcomed into a cockpit that's designed to make you feel like you're piloting a race car. The interior is all about precision and focus, with two leather-covered bucket seats that provide a snug and supportive fit, ensuring that you're comfortable even during high-speed maneuvers. However, keep in mind that the focus is on the driver, and the driving experience. Space for passengers or luggage is limited. Lamborghini keeps things simple, prioritizing performance over convenience, and this extends to the interior layout as well. There are minimal distractions, the focus is entirely on the road and the exhilarating ride ahead. In terms of safety, the Huracan Tecnica sticks to the basics. While there are airbags to keep you protected, don't expect an abundance of advanced driver assistance technologies. Lamborghini's priority is delivering raw, unfiltered performance, and that's exactly what you get when you're behind the wheel. It's a car that makes you feel every moment, every turn, and every burst of speed. It's about the experience, and that's where the Huracan Tecnica truly shines. When it comes to rivals, the Huracan Tecnica faces stiff competition from heavyweights like the Ferrari Daytona SP3, McLaren 720S, and Ferrari F8 Tributo. While some of these competitors may boast slightly higher performance figures, the Huracan Tecnica holds its ground thanks to its unique design, unmistakable presence, and the sheer thrill it delivers. The numbers are impressive, but what really matters is the driving experience. The Tecnica offers an intoxicating blend of speed, precision, and excitement that makes it stand out from the pack.